Have you ever been out in the middle of nowhere and then realized you don't have something that you need? Today we're going to talk about that on our 2-Minute Tuesday. Hey everybody, it's Jimmy Jet from Snail Trail 4x4, and if you didn't see on my Instagram, which you should be following, that I was out on the Rubicon this last weekend. And while I was out there, I broke my cross member on Bobcat. And do you know the one thing that I needed? It wasn't the Ready Welder, it wasn't batteries, it wasn't anything like really crucial. It was jumper cables. I found somebody that had a Ready Welder. Like, that was the first campsite I went to, they had a Ready Welder. And what I didn't have, nobody else at my camp had, and nobody else that I could find really had, was jumper cables so we could put those batteries together. So today on this 2-Minute Tuesday, we're going to talk about how to remember those things that you need and want while you're out on the trail. So let's drop 2 minutes down on that clock. Where is it? It's over here. Boom. And let's go. So I use Evernote, and I mean, it's just a note taker, and I have a whole list, and I'll put a link down to my list down below for you guys. But the point of what I'm making is I have something on my phone that I take out into the wilderness, whether that's your phone with an app, a piece of paper, of things of that nature or whatnot. Something that you can have, you can write down, you can log of what you need or what you want while you're out in the middle of nowhere, so that the next time that you go out there, you don't have that problem also. I have family members that have these yellow totes, and when they go out, they actually have a piece of paper out in that tote, and whenever they use stuff and it finishes, whether it's baggies or like aluminum foil or paper napkins or whatever it is, they write down, I need more of this, or I could use more of these for the next time. So when they do happen to go out camping another time, they open that bin and that piece of paper is right there on top, and it tells you what you need. For me, in the app, I just make a special note on my list and say, I need to bring this next time. And then I make sure to add it to my checklist so that I can have that item and then carry it over and use it for the next time. A lot of my bins are already pre-packed, so what I need to do is I need to look at my list before I head out. And then I need to go to the drawer and pull out what I need. I actually went over there just a second ago and grabbed the jumper cables. And so I'm going to make sure to put that into my camping bin. Really, the repair bin is what I have. I have a camping bin and a repair bin for the most part. And I'm going to put that into that repair bin so that the next time that I'm out there, whether I am running equipment in my car, charging batteries, charging my phone, charging all the camera gear that I bring, or my friend's running his car so he keeps his refrigerator cold, I'll have jumper cables in case we need to just jump another vehicle. But I'll also have jumper cables for next time for if I need to use a Ready Welder to weld up a cross member in a vehicle. So check out some more videos right here. I'll put a link in this area to these 2-Minute Tuesday videos. I'll put a link down here on this one to one of the 4Runner videos. I'm really happy with that new 4Runner front grille, so check that one out. Make sure to hammer down on that subscribe button, and don't forget, keep crawling.